Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check contacts on Gmail, right? It's very easy to do it. So first of all, you have to open your Google account. To do that, you can just go to your browser or email address, whatever. And once you are here, for example, you can just click on this. This is my account and I will click on manage your Google account, right? You can just go to your Google account from here. You can just go to the Google account from Gmail or any of the Google application which you are using, right? So I can just go to the Google account and in this way I can go, right? It's very easy to do it. And once you're here, right, you have to scroll a little bit on the left side and you will find option which is called people and sharing. So once I here, you can see this is my contact. So if I just click on this, it will redirect to my contacts section, right? And I will able to see all my contacts. So by the way, I'm not going to show you my contacts just for privacy reasons, but I hope you saw the steps to how to open your contacts. So this is how you can do it, guys. I hope you found this information very useful. If you did, subscribe.